Hey guys, today we want to talk about how to assemble your guide bar and chainsaw chain for your Husqvarna 120 Mark II. A little bit of housekeeping before we get started. Make sure your chain brake is disengaged. We've already removed the 3 screws on your filter cover on the top. To prevent an accidental start, we're going to go ahead and remove the wire from the spark plug. Set that to the side. Pull the wire from the spark plug here. Now before we touch any of the cutting tools, let's go ahead and put some gloves on. First, we want to remove the guide bar nuts from the clutch cover. And remove the clutch. Then take your guide bar, set those on the post and slide them back as far as possible. We'll take our chain, make sure the cutting teeth are faced in the appropriate direction, and we'll slide that around the clutch and onto the sprocket. We'll give it a small spin to make sure it's on the sprocket, and then we want to insert those drive links into the guide bar. Once on the top of the guide bar, we'll roll that around the sprocket on the guide bar. And then just to make sure it's seated in properly, we'll give it a spin. Next, we want to go ahead and get our clutch cover. Make sure it's extremely important that the post for our tensioning screw is inserted into the slot for our guide bar. Okay. Once that's on, we'll go ahead and put the nuts back on the post. And just go ahead and tighten those by hand. Then we'll take our scrunch, grab the end of the guide bar, hold that up, insert that into the tensioning screw, and turn clockwise. Once all the slack is out of the chain, double check and make sure we have free movement. Then we'll go ahead and tighten the guide bar nuts back down. Then you should be ready to go.